Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the notifications on the Scatter Slots game. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, locate the Scatter Slots game on your device, and once you find it, long press on this game, and you will see the info button at the top right. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be taken into the application info page for this game. Now, underneath privacy, tap on notifications, and now you will see the allow notifications option. If this button is turned on, then this means that notifications will be allowed on your device. So simply tap on this toggle and it will turn off all notifications from the Scatter Slots game on your device. You can then go back to enjoying your game and no more notifications will appear on your device. And you can change this setting back on at any time that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Scatter Slots game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.